Good morning. Waking up to a beautiful morning, preparing breakfast. And want to show you our view this beautiful morning. Overlooking the lake, right in front of the fishing pier. Going back in to finish breakfast. I decided to use less propane this morning, and so we're frying it on a two burner. And I prepared in advance in my containers. I have in my containers our grits, our eggs, and I have slices of cucumber, and we're going to have some waffles. I'll show you later. Have a little friend as usual. They are friendly here. People have been feeding these squirrels. Working on some steak for dinner with baked potato, and I'm just warming up the baked potato. And uh, I put some butter on it, seasoning, um, and then we're going to have asparagus to go along with it. So, again, dinner for tonight as we spend another night at camp after the event. This is Sunday evening. What a view as we prepare dinner, overlooking the lake and the people fishing. So far, haven't seen anybody catching anything. And we had wonderful company that came over after, but a pleasant visit after the event from some new people I met while at the park. Good morning. Don't know how long I'll be able to stay out this morning, but it is a good morning. Rain is coming in. It's a light rain. Sounds good on coming down on top of the RV. Um, just wanted to come out and show you this beautiful morning before I go in and prepare breakfast. Had a very interesting day yesterday. Um, the couples event uh, ended yesterday, and afterwards we decided to stay over, and we decided to stay over two nights. And but yesterday um, we had two visitors, um, Nadine and her husband Jesse came by, interested in camping. They saw us, and me, come on over. I'll answer questions. And so she finally got out the car, and we End up sitting out here. We must have sat out here for almost 2 hours, just talking. Done talking with Jesse, back at the car, and Ladine sitting out here looking at this view. Sitting out here looking at this view, waiting for. We was kind of waiting for the fire to start. It was just awesome. And the park still had people coming to go fishing at the pier. And so that's what we did. We set out and enjoyed the day. We set out and enjoyed the day. And then something happened as was the first time it's happened. And I'm going to let you see that at the end of this video because I have a picture of what happened. That's the first time it's ever happened to us. That was a very pleasant, put a big smile on my face and surprise done. But then later on in the day, I show some pictures right here. But we set out and the fire just was perfect. And we enjoyed the fire and some marshmallows and steak. I prepared a steak dinner yesterday, and I'm not happy with this steak dinner. I'm not. So I may not be doing steak dinners out here while we're camping anymore. I mean, we ate it, but my steaks taste much better at home from the oven. So I'm gonna go back in. It's just enough rain where you need the awning out to sit out here, and we put our chairs away last night because we knew it was gonna rain. So I'm gonna let you see what's going on and let you hear a little nature sounds, and then I'm gonna go inside and prepare breakfast. Those two RVs came in yesterday. Pretty much, we're just here with the host for that. Looks like, I mean, I'm sure it's both people that did stay over, but these two, this place was full, and now it's just us. Dunn drove around yesterday. He said about the boat dock there were a lot of people, and now we got new people because that's where our church members were. So now we have new people over there in that area. All the birds are singing this morning, and look at the trees, so green. I decided to be adventurous again for breakfast this morning and prepare biscuits. I did the preparation in another video, so I'm not going to repeat that, but I will show you um, what they look like after a few minutes in the oven. So here they are. I'm going to rotate them to watch it in this oven, this RV oven. Oh, the biscuits turned out really nice. Okay, a little brown on the bottom. See, a little brown on the bottom, but they're still doing well. Let's see what this one look like. Oh, and I didn't have my biscuit cutter. So we're doing good. I'll show you the plate in a minute. Finished product. Biscuits, cucumbers, apples, eggs, and sausage. eating breakfast and listening to the sounds of rain coming down and the wind blowing. It's a good day. Still a good day. Homemade biscuits and sausage breakfast and egg breakfast with the sounds. And it's supposed to clear later on today. These are the first subscribers other than family and friends and church members who have stopped by and said hello. This really made our day. Yeah. We decided to stay 2 more days. We had such a great time here uh, at Huntsville State Park. We decided to stay 2 more nights. And we had some interesting people come by and surprise us and visit with us. But it was fun. It was really fun to sit down and talk with people. We must have talked for the first two. We sat down almost 2 hours and talked in about 30 minutes or so with the second two.
Oh Lord, we had a long conversation.
But camping draws people together. Yeah. It wants people to talk. And Don, you want to talk anything about what we experienced today?
We experienced pleasant weather today. It wasn't too cool. Didn't have to have no heat. We probably did we open up a window?
We opened up some windows. That's about it.
We opened for window there because it got a little warm there. Mm-hmm. We like a little cool today. Lets you sleep good.
Rain came through and it wasn't too bad. Yeah. Wasn't too bad. And now then it was a little cool. Now the sun's out. We saw some birds flying low, some huge birds. Yeah. We're not sure what they were.
They was eagles. Long as they
we claiming them eagles.
They was eagles. Long as their wings were stretched out like that.
There was some
hawk wings was not that long.
Okay. Mm-hmm. It was cool. It was cool. Mm-hmm. And once again here at Huntsville State Park, we're signing off. We want to thank everyone for viewing again, watching again, subscribing. We have new subscribers. Thank you to the new subscribers. And just thank you everybody for your prayers, for our safe travels. And and we want to thank Mr. Donald, our park host. He was very helpful to us.
Yes, indeed. He took care of Donald and his wife there. They been down there for 6 months there. They're gonna leave and go back home there. And we kind of was looking into that for a while, being a park host.
So we want to thank you, Donald. We appreciate all that you did for us.
Yes, sir. So we're signing out until we see you later.
Donald, what are we doing next time?
Well, we're going back to Houston right now. Yeah. We're gonna look at in April.
Yeah, in April. Where are we going? So come back so you can find